Y is for yellowfin tuna, swift and bold, swimming through the ocean, a sight to behold. With yellow fins and a body so sleek, yellowfin tuna teach us to be unique. Let's write the letter Y, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital Y with arms up high, lowercase y with the tail to the side. Y is for yellowfin tuna, dash, 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 learning letters with a joyful splash. The yellowfin tuna zooms through the sea, moving so fast as can be. With power and speed, they glide with grace. Yellowfin tuna teach us to keep a steady pace. The letter Y is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital Y with arms up high, lowercase y with the tail to the side. Y is for yellowfin tuna, dash, 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 learning letters with a joyful splash. Yellowfin tuna swim where the waters are deep. Let's write the letter Y and take a leap. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter Y is next in our ABCs. Capital Y with arms up high, lowercase y with the tail to the side. Y is for yellowfin tuna, dash, 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 learning letters with a joyful splash. Learning letters with a joyful splash. Learning letters with a joyful splash. Woo! Y in a splash.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.